Third phase.
We got an extremely bright object out on the horizon.
Mysterious formations over the skies of New Mexico, and we've got the video for you right now. We're going to let it run raw, but right now this is coming in from a pilot and his friend, a photographer named Jerry Ferguson, and the chopper guy, Bruce.
Cloud something. I don't know what that is. It's super bright though. X. Really hard to see. Huh. Yeah, there's something going on up there. That looks like a missile test or something. Yeah, now there's a little one next to it, yeah.
All right, here's the second angle.
Got an extremely bright object out on the horizon.
A mysterious form indeed. We are going to be replaying the video. Let's loop it back right now and take a look at this, everybody. What did Bruce the chopper guy and Jerry witness in the skies above New Mexico? It is quite astonishing, to say the least. Some people might say it's the sun just simply hidden behind the clouds on a kind of a hazy day, but that's not the sun. Let me tell you, I don't believe this is the sun by any means. I want to get your thoughts. We've got Brent here as well, and can we safely rule out that this is just the sun kind of hidden behind a hazy sky?
Absolutely not, Blake. I'm looking at that particular anomaly to the left of this large object, this illuminated object that's over New Mexico.
So I like the way they've got the Steadicam on their helicopter, and it's one of the first videos that we've received from within a helicopter, and they've got the stabilization technology going right here. He's basically Bruce the chopper guy is a news pilot. He goes around and shoots the news over there in New Mexico, high in the sky. And some people are saying that there was some kind of missile launch going on here, but as you notice this chemtrail forming to the lower left over there, why would they be launching some kind of missile while there's air traffic in the skies? Now, here is the second shot of this mysterious smoke cloud, a tower of smoke just rising in the skies. You see no beginning point. Brent, what do you make of this?
Blake, is this a down missile test?
Yeah, again, here is this massive light formation in the sky, and could it be just a big plume of smoke up there reflecting off the sun? It definitely could be, but again, if this is some missile test, why in the heck would they be having a commercial airlines in close proximity? Wouldn't you think this would be dangerous? They would be downing any kind of flight patterns within the area of a missile test over White Sands. This doesn't make any sense.
Yes, definitely. They'd clear the airspace before any launch, not to endanger anything, no aviation pilots in the air. What's going on? This is something to share on third phase of Moon, and it's pretty exciting.
Absolutely, to say the least. And again, not for just the safety of pilots in the sky, but for just basically the citizens on the ground. Could you imagine that a major airliner coming into close proximity to some kind of missile that exploded in the skies over New Mexico? Well, we're trying to get the official word from White Sands, and exactly if this was a successful missile launch, or is this something else altogether? Was there some kind of event that is being witnessed to a missile launch, and this is something from out of this world.
Yeah, we see these rips in time, these amazing videos that we've been seeing over the years of these amazing lights in the sky. Is this a portal? Some people might say that they're saying that these portals that we're seeing are actual missile tests. It could be a cover-up.
Yeah, you never know. You never know when it comes down to the extraterrestrial phenomenon, because we know for a fact there is a massive cover-up going around the world. And right now, China is putting a lot of money, of their own money, to go in search of the extraterrestrials out there. We already know they're here, but at least there's a government stepping up to the plate. We're going to be doing some background study on that as well. But I want to thank Bruce the Chopper guy and Jerry for sharing their incredible video to us right here at Third Phase Moon. We're going to get down to the bottom of the mystery. Yes, there was some kind of a missile launch over there at White Sands at their missile range. And they did close some highways down, but why didn't they shut down the airspace? It just does not make any sense. I got a feeling there are two events that happened over New Mexico, and whatever Jerry and Bruce witnessed in the skies over there is something very strange indeed. I want to invite everybody to join us this Friday. We're going to be broadcasting live, and we're going to be taking your calls in regards to the UFO phenomenon. Join us. It's going to be starting 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's going to be 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The number 347-934-0378 is the number to call in. Everybody, keep your eyes on the skies. We're not alone. Thanks, Brent. We'll see everybody again next time.
Phase of moon.
Third phase
Of moon.
third phase
Of moon.
By popular demand, Paul Barrett is back with his third album, Third Phase of Moon, The Strangest Things.
Phase of moon.
12 brand new tracks, heard by millions, on your favorite channel, Third Phase of Moon. Available on iTunes, Amazon, and music streaming services. Paul Barrett's Third Phase of Moon, The Strangest Things. Available right now. Links are below.
Control, this is Flight. We have a situation here. Control? Control? Control?
keep your eyes on the skies. We're not alone.